I work for Premier Research. We are a global CRO, mid-size, about 2,300 people worldwide, and we offer end-to-end services for clinical trials, including consulting, seeing clients or their product all the way through to submission. Sure, I think it's a brilliant concept to bring together a therapeutic area of focus and data because I'm passionate about data. That's the area that I work in, and there are so many links between, such as patient centricity, what a participant in a clinical trial needs, and how the data is linked to that. I also like the size of this particular event. It's very convenient for networking. The schedule is set up so there's opportunity to learn about what's happening in the industry elsewhere, have some nice panels, and hear about innovations in the industry. So really glad that I had an opportunity to be a part of it. With the recent release or ongoing adoption of ICH E6R3 in particular, a lot of bells and whistles coming back to taking a risk-based approach to things, proportionality, making sure that there's collaboration across the parties that are involved in clinical research, all the way from the participant through the site, the sponsors, the CROs, all of the vendors that are involved. So I think that is the refresh of E6 is really bringing our attention back to the need for flexibility, the need for us to adapt in a clinical trial along the way, keep that quality and risk-based mindset so that we're really focusing on what matters. We're keeping things like the participant in mind and not just the data at the end. They are both equally critical for a trial to succeed. So it's nice to hear some of the topics being discussed here that are synced up with those trends in the industry. And then on top of that, this risk-based concept has a lot of opportunity for technology to support it. So things like AI, and particularly agentic AI, and so hearing how some of our colleagues in the industry are innovating in that regard right now it's been on the agenda here today. And it's nice to have an opportunity to hear that and see that what we're hearing elsewhere in industry forums is also being woven through this conference.